America's cheese scandal just got worse. 90% of cheeses sold just tested positive for a Pfizer bioengineered ingredient, marking the first ever allowed.
Your bioengineered cheese was only tested in 90 days of rat studies. The enzyme is made by splicing a calf's stomach gene into bacteria, then fermenting it in industrial vats, the same process used to brew biofuels. The output gets stripped, filtered, and labeled as enzymes. That enzyme then gets dumped into a pasteurized milk blend with up to 20 other additives like natamycin, the same antifungal used in industrial paint.
Our cheese is brought to you by Pfizer. Let's get into the detail. Most cheese in the US, about 80 to 90% of hard cheeses like cheddar and mozzarella, uses a biotech engineered enzyme called fermentation-produced chymosin, or FPC. Originally developed by Pfizer in the late 1980s, it's the first genetically engineered food ingredient approved by the FDA. FPC is a lab-made version of chymosin renin, the enzyme that curdles milk into curds and whey. Scientists insert the calf chymosin gene into microbes like bacteria, yeast, or fungi. These GM organisms ferment in tanks, producing the enzyme, which is then filtered and purified. The final product contains no GM DNA or organisms, just a pure chymosin protein, for it's simply labeled as enzymes, microbial enzymes, or vegetarian rennet. The FDA considers it GRAS, generally recognized as safe, with no special GMO labeling required. To avoid it, look on your cheese food label for animal rennet, vegetable rennet, or USD organic or non-GMO project verified label. So, should consumers have the right to know what's in their cheese? Should this be mandatory on food labels? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a follow if you enjoyed it. Share this with your fan groups, and God bless.